a bit of both.
Commit crime and moving. Don't even know who said they were, how you identify them, how you locate them. And this is inside the city. They come up. I think there's no way. There's no way we can allow this. So, the CP, so you have to work with them for the security. You can't allow this. Apart from what you have from there. Yeah? This is the security we're talking about. Nobody would allow this. So thank you. Okay, okay.
Başım.